Yeah, hello everyone, I am Sanjeev Srivastava, responsible for the industrial automation business in Delta Electronics. Delta has been in the industrial automation for the last 20 years plus, and we have seen in this journey a lot of changes in the entire ecosystem happening. We have participated in two very big events, the Semicon and the Productronica. And in the Semicon, which was primarily focusing on the semiconductor industry, we had a lot of visitors, including Prime Minister Modi, who had come to our stall, and he was very keen to understand what technologies are coming up in the near future and how we are changing the whole ball game. And he also played a game on our cobot, and then he also gave his signatures on the cobot. So that was one of the great moment for Delta. And also this year we have inaugurated our KG factory, the fourth one, and which is giving a clear direction that moving forward we will have a lot of Make in India products available from the Delta basket. LMW is one of our customers where we are supplying our CNC controller. This is one of the latest controllers what we have, along with our industrial robot. So to improve the efficiency and also the productivity, we have these robots which are doing the pick and place in the CNC machine, with the help of the CNC machine, and the production is improving. Another big OEM for the lathe machines and the CNC controllers is ACE, where again we have been supplying our CNC controllers as well as our industrial robots. Again, you see the robots are doing the pick and place, and we have the other electrical components in the panels. This machine is from Jebu, and if you see our power supplies, our controller, the drives, and also the CNC controllers, which are the heart of the machine, are being supplied by Delta. And these machines are not only used in India but also exported outside. When we talk about our CNC controllers, we are well placed in the market today. We have offices pan-India, we have the authorized service centers, we have the engineering centers, and we also have the satellite office to serve the customers. So wherever the CNC machines are, we are there to support our customers. All these three machines are connected through a Delta software. You see, you have the ACE machine, the LMW, the JV machine. So all these three machines, it's a real-time display of how they are, what they are doing, what is the cycle time, and how they are, the performance is, along with the robots in the two machines, what is their availability, what is the cycle time, everything is mentioned here. And this gives a real-time picture to not only to the shop floor but also to the management. This software is intelligent to take care of the analytics and give reports to the top management as well. So it's just not reading the machine data, it is also analyzing the data and giving the reports to the management. For any manufacturing facility, there are three basic technologies. One is the drives, the other is motion, and the third is control. So this wall is depicting the control systems, where we have the field devices. Through the communication modes, it is communicating to the control devices, and through the IIoT, it is giving its data to the cloud, where it is analyzed, and then we can get the required or desired results from this. So it covers the entire, from the shop floor to the top floor. What we call the entire data is collected, interpreted, and then represented. These are our motion products, the servo motors and servo drives. And what you see here is a linear motor, which is a 2-axis linear motor. And if you see, what it is doing is, it is scanning a particular object, and through laser cutting, it is cutting the same object. And the beauty of this is that we are not using any ball screw and other mechanical equipments. It is purely electrical and electronics. And what it helps us is, basically we get a very accurate, the accuracy is very high and the speed is very high. These are our standard drives product range for all applications, be it HVAC applications or in the industry what it is used. So we have the entire range here. Recently we have launched MSI motors. These are high efficiency motors, right from 22 kilowatt to 75 kilowatt. And these are IE4 and IE5 permanent magnet motors, which are well accepted in the industry. And this is a local product. So what we are doing is not only manufacturing for India, but also supplying it to other countries as well.